Technology has been a principle of Foton for 18 years. It exists as the backbone of our operations. Strength to power the world. Resulting from planned research and development, our innovative technology is built to change lives. Innovation and ingenuity are driving Foton's growth. Resulting from judgments and calculated risk. The collaboration of hard-working, brilliant minds, making progress with innovative ideas. Saving fuel helps businesses thrive. Our commitment to environmental protection is paving the way to cleaner energy. Development is based on clear market insights. Focused on details and reliability. A truly global company from end to end. Platform-based and modular designs. Global technology from a global supply chain. Competitive automotive industry leader. More fluid, more comfortable driving experience. Careful attention to every detail. The #1 commercial vehicle manufacturer in the world. We never stop our efforts. We never change our principles. Technology leading into the future.